Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best woodworking gloves is probably one of the most overlooked pieces of safety equipment for woodworkers. From the novice DIYer to the seasoned professional, your hands are your most valuable tools, and protecting them from splinters, abrasions, and potential injuries is paramount. In this video, we'll dive into the world of woodworking gloves, exploring the best options to keep your hands safe and your projects on track. Number 5. NoCry cut-resistant gloves. These gloves are certified as level 5 cut-resistant, the highest level. They provide an extra layer of protection, allowing you to chop food in the kitchen with confidence. The tiny grip dots make these gloves perfect for holding slippery items. Their flexibility, comfort, and durability also make them useful for precision work like woodworking. They are lightweight and breathable, made with a special mix of materials. You can wear them for hours and still feel good. Cleaning these gloves is simple. Just throw them in the washing machine on cool with detergent and let them drip dry. If you want extra grip in the kitchen, these gloves resist cuts from various tools. They're also great outdoors for gardening or cleaning herbs. What we like. These gloves offer superior cut resistance, certified at the highest level. The grip dots ensure a secure hold on any surface. If you're looking for a versatile pair of gloves for both kitchen and woodworking, this is the perfect choice. They are lightweight and breathable, making them comfortable for extended use. What people say. The gloves afford you a sense of security and comfort and take away that fear that has built up after being bit by a mandolin slicer. The silicone dots that are on the palm side of the gloves, if you have them on the right hands, that provide a non-slip grip to everything I tried and again provided a sense of security, allowing me to work without fear. They are thin, comfortable and flexible, allowing me to work with my hands while carving fine details. They have gripper dots that hold my wood carving without slipping. Better grip than bare hands. I was concerned that they might be bulky, but they are not. My knives are razor sharp and I can carve without fear of cutting myself when I slip with the blade. Number 4. NoCry Kids XS Cut-Resistant Gloves. Introducing the first cut-resistant gloves designed specifically for kids. They are perfect for protecting small hands from scrapes and cuts during creative activities. These gloves are also great for adults with smaller hands. These gloves provide excellent grip and a comfortable, stretchy fit, whether in the kitchen or crafting. You won't have to worry about slips or slides, keeping little hands safe and secure. These gloves are incredibly lightweight yet offer the highest level of cut resistance. They are like a knight's armor, ready to protect against any accidental nicks or cuts. They are perfect for cooking, whittling, fishing, sewing, and wood carving. These gloves keep little hands safe while handling sharp objects, ensuring safety and fun go hand in hand. These kitchen gloves are food safe and easy to clean. After the fun, simply toss them in the wash. They'll be ready for the next round of kitchen adventures or crafty creations. What we like. These gloves are specifically designed to protect small hands. They offer enhanced grip and a snug fit, ensuring safety during various activities. If your kids love to help in the kitchen or enjoy crafting, these gloves will keep them safe while having fun. They are also easy to clean, making them a parent's best friend. What people say. The reinforced fingers add extra safety. Definitely comfortable with a good grip. The material is flexible and lightweight, so my kid can move her fingers easily, but it's also impressively resistant to cuts, even against some of my sharpest knives. Number 3. NoCry Heavy-Duty Cut-Resistant Work Gloves. These gloves offer the highest level of cut protection available. They are designed to keep your hands safe from sharp blades and knives. Made with a blend of stainless steel, high-performance polyethylene, glass fiber, and spandex, these gloves are tough and flexible. They are designed to work as hard as you do. You can wear these gloves all day long without irritation. They are perfect for various tasks, from gardening to warehouse work. The silicone dots on the gloves provide an excellent grip. This feature helps you handle objects securely, whether it's glass or wood. These gloves are suitable for various tasks and jobs. They are ideal for anyone working with sheet metal, wood, glass, or in landscaping and construction. What we like. These heavy-duty gloves provide the highest level of cut protection. They are tough, durable, and flexible, perfect for demanding tasks. If you're a professional or a serious DIY enthusiast, these gloves will keep your hands safe while you work. The silicone dots provide an enhanced grip. What people say. The gloves have a supple stretch to them that was unexpected. They fit, feel, and work like super high-end work gloves. They are an ambidextrous cut, where they fit either hand well, and as such can be worn with nibs in or nibs out. Number 2. Snug Fit Cut Resistant Gloves, ANSI A4. These gloves are designed to protect your hands. They are cut resistant and meet ANSI A4 standards, making them ideal for various tasks. Available in sizes XS to 3XL, these gloves fit both men and women. You can find the perfect fit for maximum comfort and protection. Whether you're working with metal, glass, wood, or boxes, these gloves have you covered. They are also great for fishing and HVAC work. The snug fit ensures dexterity and allows you to perform tasks with precision. This design provides a secure and comfortable feel. From cutting materials to handling equipment, these gloves offer reliable protection. They are a versatile addition to your work gear. What we like. These gloves offer a snug fit, ensuring comfort and dexterity. They are ANSI A4 rated, providing reliable cut protection. If you need a versatile pair of gloves for various tasks like metal, glass, or wood cutting, these are a great option. They are suitable for both men and women. What people say. With an ANSI A4 rating, these gloves provide excellent cut resistance while remaining comfortable for long-term wear. They are also reinforced between the thumb and pointer, and this greatly increased the longevity of these gloves. They protect well, but would advise airing them out for a day to get rid of the heavy industrial smell from the materials. Number 1. Cutting gloves, cut-resistant gloves, medium gray. Are you tired of worrying about cuts while working in the kitchen or workshop? These gloves offer level 5 cut protection, ensuring your hands stay safe. They are essential for anyone handling sharp objects. Made with 13-gauge nylon and EN 388 certified, these gloves are built to last. The material is designed to withstand cuts and abrasions. You can rely on them for consistent protection. The unique knit technology and elastic material provide a comfortable fit and excellent grip. They are breathable, so your hands won't get sweaty. This makes them perfect for extended use. These cut-resistant gloves are versatile and suitable for various tasks. Whether you're slicing fish, shucking oysters, or carving wood, they have you covered. They are a must-have for any job requiring precise blade handling. Cleaning these gloves is a breeze. You can easily hand wash or machine wash them after use. This ensures they are always ready for your next project. What we like. These gloves provide excellent cut protection with a level 5 rating. They are breathable and comfortable, making them suitable for extended use. If you're looking for gloves for kitchen tasks, oyster shucking, or woodworking, these gloves are perfect. They are easy to clean and maintain. What people say. They protect my hands from sharp objects and are great for gardening. I have yet to cut myself while wearing them, so I'd say they work. It is comfortable to wear and do our work. It can withstand cut and heat. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.